Okay, so everybody's disappeared. It's actually 5:30. Today we've had the the Ring doorbell, ding, the light put up. The driveway is pretty much finished now. Let me show you. So the actual marl has been increased to the level it needs to be at. The rebar itself is where it needs to be. We need to just quickly finish off maybe the marl there. It's a little bit too high, needs to be spread. But other than that, that's all done. The bobcat came in and we've had the side return here leveled off a little bit. They still need to finish over here. And here I've had this leveled off a little bit more, so we need to get manually just rake this in. This has been filled up a little bit more here, so we're nearly ready for topsoil. The guys carried on plastering up there. So the steps were cemented. They're getting ready to be built. The painters carried on painting around the building. And the inside was finished off from a plaster point of view. One more wall to do. So the wall here has been painted white all the way around. And we need to get yellow for next door and get next doors done as well. So that's the next stage. In here, the far wall over there was done. This wall here was done. Tomorrow stroke Monday, this wall here all the way down. They normally don't work Sunday, so I doubt they'll be in tomorrow. But that is now ready to be done. So that will be the inside of here plastered. And then we're going to trial plastic in here, white. This obviously has been painted grey. So yeah, and we've also raised the level down here, so you can see the actual mud has been raised, and we've brought that, graded that down to the point where it's now been lost here, and we have to put another 2 steps in here. And then we also, again, with the bobcat, just leveled off a little bit more here. There was some big concrete pillar posts here from the fence posts that were put in by the contractor, which were a waste of time. Looks like there's another one there that hasn't been taken out. So we've managed to get those out and then level this off a little bit more. And then tomorrow we've got an excavator coming and we'll put the actual rocks back. And then start putting some tender love and care into the beach side. Out here is a bloody mess. So we need to get this swept off tomorrow. This is going to be trial plastic. So I'm going to get that tomorrow as well, so that can be done. This needs a damn good sweep. And then we're going to get some topsoil to come in here. So hopefully this is going to land up being grass. All of this is going to be grass. That's the aim. We want to obviously continue the actual grey colour all the way around here as well, but there's no real point doing that until we've actually got the roof on. The roof has been poured, otherwise it will just get absolutely covered, and then we'll have to duplicate the work, and everyone knows we don't like doing that. We also, at the front of the house, if I show you quickly, we also took the mud down because the mud was just too high, so we've scraped that back as well now, so that's now ready for, I would say we could probably just get some topsoil to put on there. We don't really, turf or seeds. We don't really need to do anything on there, I don't think. I mean, we might need to get a spade on there and just get it leveled off a little bit more, but other than that, it's pretty much done. Other than that, the roof was done. There's not a very good slope on that, which I asked them to do, but apparently they're going to plaster the top, as they love a bit of plaster. They're going to plaster the actual the slope into the roof itself. So we must be the only person in Barbados that has a 3-bedroom semi for a utilities cupboard. Unbelievable. All that for that. But anyway, other than that, a reasonably short one today. So just wanted to check in to finish off to tell you what we've actually done. It was really about plastering inside there today. It was setting out and pouring the concrete underneath the steps, ready to set them out and get them poured. Probably going to get that done tomorrow. It was levelling in here, levelling the front with the bobcat, which we've now done, and finishing off the driveway, ready for technically Monday stroke Tuesday. So it's more than likely to be Tuesday, a Tuesday pour. So fingers crossed that will be the first stage finished of us then starting second stage, which is coming up with the blocks and getting this garage built once and for all. So hopefully we'll start getting the blocks out of the ground on Monday. That's the aim. But at the moment, I would say the plasterers aren't going to be in until Monday, so it's probably going to be a Tuesday start. We'll get the plastering done inside the annex, finish that Monday, and then start blocks on Tuesday. That's the aim anyway. So other than that, say ring doorbell's in. little bit of security around the building as well. Some solar lights. On that note as well, I did actually give Carter's a shout. These lights here, absolutely brilliant. So you, they're solar, you connect them up. 3 settings, one being as soon as the sun goes down, they come on at quite a low ambient light, and as soon as they sense a human being or heat, they come on full pelt. So you've got the little ones down there, which are about 30 Bayesian, and I can't remember exactly how much these are. I think they're 80, 89, I think, Bayesian, I can't remember. But anyway, they're good. If you don't want to run electricity and stuff like that, and you want something to just connect up, one screw, yeah, job done. Don't have to do anything. Good. Anyway, other than that, another day over in Barbados.